If you're over 60 and tired of tossing, turning, and staring at the ceiling every night, just take a slow breath with me for a moment. Because tonight, I want to show you something simple, something gentle, something you can prepare in just a few minutes, and yet it has the power to quiet your mind, relax your body, and help you drift into the kind of deep, peaceful sleep you've been craving. And here's the beautiful part. It's not a pill, not a supplement, not something that leaves you groggy in the morning. It's a natural bedtime drink that's been used in many cultures for centuries to soothe the nervous system and invite real rest. So stay with me, because if your nights have started feeling longer than your days, this little drink might be exactly what your body has been waiting for. Now, let's talk honestly for a second. After 60, sleep can become a very different experience than it used to be. Your body changes, your hormones shift, your melatonin levels drop, and sometimes the thoughts that sit quietly during the day become much louder at night. Maybe you notice your mind replaying old worries, or your legs feeling restless, or your heart beating just a little too fast when you lie down. Maybe you fall asleep easily, but wake up at 2 or 3 in the morning and can't settle back in. It's frustrating, and it can start to affect your mood, your memory, and even your energy during the day. And the truth is, many people reach for over-the-counter sleep aids without realizing they can make things worse over time. They can become habit-forming, they disrupt natural sleep cycles, and they don't truly relax the body. That's why natural nightly rituals can make such a big difference. They support your nervous system instead of suppressing it. They teach your body to feel safe again, calm again, steady again. And this bedtime drink I'm about to share does exactly that. But before we mix it, I want you to understand why it works so well, because when you know the why, you feel more confident, and confidence is a part of healing too. This drink is based on 3 soothing ingredients: warm milk, either dairy or plant-based, a touch of magnesium-rich cacao or turmeric depending on your preference, and a calming herb like chamomile or ashwagandha. Combined, these ingredients support 3 key systems that influence sleep: your muscles, your nerves, and your stress hormones. Warm milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid your body uses to make melatonin. Magnesium helps relax tight muscles and calm anxious thoughts. And chamomile or ashwagandha gently lowers nighttime cortisol, the stress hormone that can keep your brain wired even when your body feels tired. When these 3 elements come together, it creates something like a soft signal to your brain that says, it's safe to sleep now. So let's make it together. Imagine it like a small nighttime ritual, one that encourages your body to slow down and your mind to release the day. Start with 1 cup of warm milk. If you prefer dairy, that's wonderful, but unsweetened almond milk or oat milk works beautifully too. Warm it just enough so that steam begins to rise. Not boiling, not scalding. Think of the warmth of a cozy blanket on a winter evening. Then add 1 teaspoon of organic cacao powder or 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Cacao creates a chocolatey, soothing flavor while supporting magnesium levels. Turmeric adds anti-inflammatory benefits and helps calm the digestive system, which is especially helpful if late-night bloating or discomfort has been interrupting your rest. Next, add a small pinch of cinnamon. This isn't just for flavor. Cinnamon helps stabilize nighttime blood sugar, which can prevent those sudden energy spikes that wake you up with a racing mind at 3 a.m. Now stir gently, and once the liquid is smooth, add your calming herb. For most people, chamomile is the perfect place to start because it's classic, reliable, and incredibly gentle. You can steep a chamomile tea bag directly in the warm milk for 3 to 4 minutes. If you've been feeling extra stressed or struggling with constant worry, you can also add a tiny pinch, about 1/4 teaspoon, of ashwagandha powder. It's one of the most powerful herbs for nervous system balance, especially for older adults. And here's a secret addition that many people love: a half teaspoon of raw honey. Not only does it create the perfect touch of sweetness, but honey actually helps your brain release serotonin, which later converts to melatonin. Just remember, add honey after the drink cools a bit so the nutrients aren't destroyed by high heat. Once you've prepared your drink, hold the cup for a moment before you sip it. Feel the warmth against your palms. Let your shoulders drop just a little. This part matters more than people think. When you slow down, even for 30 seconds, your heart rate starts to follow. Your breathing softens. Your muscles ease. And this tells your nervous system, we're shifting into rest mode now. As you drink, Imagine the warmth moving through your chest, down your arms, and into your legs. Feel it settling into your stomach in a gentle way. This is more than just a beverage. It's a message to your body that the day is done. There is nothing left to figure out, nothing left to worry about, nothing you need to solve right now. The world can wait until morning. And you know what's beautiful about this ritual? Over time, your body starts to associate it with sleep. Just like children have a bedtime routine that helps them drift off, adults, especially seniors, benefit from routines too. The repetition creates a sense of safety. It anchors the mind. And when your brain feels anchored, it stops scanning for danger, which is one of the biggest hidden causes of nighttime restlessness. Now, imagine yourself a few nights from now, sitting in your favorite chair or at your bedside table, sipping this warm, calming drink. You feel your breath slowing, your muscles softening, your thoughts loosening their grip. You climb into bed, the sheets cool and welcoming. You close your eyes, and instead of tension, you feel comfort. Instead of racing thoughts, you feel quiet. And instead of waking again and again through the night, you slip naturally into a deeper, more nourishing sleep. That's what this nighttime drink can help you achieve. Not just sleep, but rest. The kind of rest that allows your brain to clear toxins, your heart rate to stabilize, your memory to strengthen, and your mood to gently reset for the next day. Because when you're over 60, good sleep isn't just a comfort, it's medicine. It supports your bones, your digestion, your immune system, your heart, and your cognitive health. And every night you sleep, well, is a night your body repairs itself. So if you've been longing for peaceful nights again, try this simple drink before bed. Give your body something natural, soothing, and deeply supportive. And as you begin to feel the difference, as your nights grow calmer and your mornings feel brighter, you'll know you made the right choice. If this video helped you, or if you'd like more natural ways to support your health after 60, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I share gentle, practical guidance every week, and I would love for you to join our growing community of seniors who believe in taking small, powerful steps toward better health and better sleep. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.